hell no. Before you go watch this video, go watch my other video in the description. Let's hope I remember it this time. Today we're going to be doing a dance to the song Hope by X, R.I.P. If you don't know the song, it will be in the description also, so yeah, don't be triggered if it isn't, because it will be, obviously. Yeah. Okay, so while you won't be waiting, well, all you need to do is skip it to the part that goes. Ready? Yeah. And you have to stand there like.
Rest in peace, all the kids that lost their lives in the parking shooter.
Wait. Up to here. Up to 0.20. Okay? Okay. So it says this. The first thing you do is. That's very awkward. I just did the whole dance. So the first move you do is this. Here you go. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so usually, so yeah, blah blah blah. So quickly practice that. Pause this video. Yeah, pause it. Pause the video. And 3. Ew. Oh, just pause the video. I know you didn't watch the video. If you didn't, go watch it, please. But anyways, let's carry on. So we'll go something. Okay, let's just have a little look at that. Okay, so where was I? Okay, yeah. I've been doing the whole dance, like yeah, so yeah, I taught you this part already, and then you go like that, and then it says something like every single night. Every single night. No, I'm just kidding. So it's like you're counting the stars, I guess. Sure. Okay. Every single night. You can actually do that many ways. You could go like. That's what I used to do, but now I'll go. Yeah, well, you can do it anyway, so. Yeah, we were watching the Lego movie before. I watched it. We don't look. Jesus. And we're back. So I taught you that night thingy. Yeah, whatever. Let's practice. I'm not even teach you that. Okay, so. Okay, that's what I want to teach you. Okay, so you go like this. 1, 2, like that. Pretty obvious. Okay, wait. By the way, you can do the. Well, I'll teach you this first, and then I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, you go like that. I just taught you that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be random until the song starts, like the chorus actually.
Rest in peace, all the kids that lost their lives in the parking
Okay.
shooter. The song is dedicated to you.
That's it. Okay, so after you go like this, you go, and then you get your right or right hand and go like that, and then you get your left hand and go that, and then go. But you can also do this. Yeah. So you can go. So yeah, so let's do that with the song. I didn't teach you that. So you go ding, 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 and then you go, and then at the end I do something. There you go. Here's your answer. Anyways. Yeah, so that's the dance. I'll do the whole dance for you because I'm amazing.
Rest in peace to all the kids that lost their lives in the Parkland shooting.
Sorry for the bad lighting.
The song is dedicated to you.
Brilliant! Honestly, I could do better. Let's try again.
Rest in peace to all the kids that lost their lives in the Parkland shooting. The song is
It's so
dedicated to you.
blurry when I move.